brackets MPCS panel. Today topics I am going to here differential equations and applications. Equations contain the derivatives of the unknown fractions. Given some simple differential equations, we can sometimes guess the form of function. So we will work backwards from the solution to the difference equations. Maximum and the minimum values. Some of the most important applications of the calculus are the optimization problem. We find the optical way of doing something, meaning find the maximum or minimum values of some functions. So, what are the maximum and minimum values? Example: highest point on the graph of the function f shown is the point 3, 5. So, the largest value of f is f bracket of 3 equal to 5. Likewise, the smallest value is f bracket of 6 equal to
first year, Government Degree College, Mulur. My topic is observed maximum and minimum. Definition: let C be a number in the domain D of a function f, then f into C is the observed maximum value of f1 D if f bracket C greater than f into x for all x in D. Observed minimum value of f1 D is f into C less than f into x for all x in D. The maximum and minimum values of f1 are called extreme values of f. Next, local maximum and minimum. Definition: the number of f into C is a local maximum value of f if f into C greater than f into x when x is a near C. Local minimum value of f if f into C less than f into x when x is near C. Something is true near C means that it is true on some open interval containing C.
My name is Mamata. I am studying third year. Example 1. Apply minimum no smaller value of f1 a b. Local maximum no greater value of f near b. Local minimum no smaller value of f near b. Absolute minimum maximum no greater value of f1 ab also a local maximum. Figure 2 shows the graph of a function f with several extrema. At A, absolute minimum is FA. At B, local maximum is FB. At C, local minimum is FC. At D, absolute also local maximum is FD. At E, local minimum is FE. FA.
The exponent value theorem is instant with Hegel theorem. Note that an exponent value can be taken on more than once.
My name is P. Saujanya, MPCS, final year. Maximum and minimum values. The extreme value theorem says that a continuous function on a closed interval has a maximum value and a minimum value, but it does not tell us how to find these extreme values. We start by looking for a local extreme values. Figure shows the graph of a function f with a local maximum at C and local maximum at D. F of C at D. At C, f of D at D. Definition: critical point. An interior point C of the domain of f at which f of c equal to 0 or f of c fails to exist is called a critical point of f. Theorem: local extreme point of theorem. If f has a local minimum or maximum value at c and f of c exists, then f of c equal to 0. Maximum and minimum values. To find an absolute maximum and minimum of a continuous function on a closed interval, we note that either it is a local or it occurs at an endpoint of the interval. Thus, the following 3 steps procedure always works. Procedure: locating absolute maximum and minimum values. Assume the function f is a continuous on the closed interval a comma b. Locate the critical points c at in a comma b where f of c equal to 0 or f of c does not exist. These points are candidates for absolute maxima and minima. Evaluate f at the critical points and at the endpoints of f comma b. Choose the largest and the smallest values of f from step 2 for the absolute maximum and minimum values respectively. Thank you.